Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to partner with GMGN to earn trading commission rebates and generate your own exclusive referral link. This is a great way to make extra rewards, especially if you invite friends or communities with high trading volume. The more trading activity you bring in, the higher your rebate percentage will be. The first step is to obtain your referral code. GMGN gives you two simple ways to do this. The first method is through the GMGN AI website. Just visit the official site and click on the Connect Telegram button. Once you connect, refresh the page. If you look at the address bar in your browser, you'll see a parameter labeled Ref. The value shown there is your unique referral code. For example, the code could look something like 7RPQJHDF. The second method is by using the GMGN Telegram bot. Simply visit one of the official GMGN bots on Telegram. No matter which one you choose, your referral code will be the same. The bot will display it for you, and once you have that code, you can use it to start generating your exclusive referral link after you've got your referral code. Share your link with other traders. Every time someone you refer starts trading through GMGN, you'll earn a rebate based on their trading volume. Over time, the more people you bring in, and the more they trade, the higher your percentage rebate will become. And that's all there is to it. Partnering with GMGN is straightforward and can be a smart way to build an extra stream of income in crypto trading. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.